ABGA 1 5 1 5 APM 9 votes 9 APP 5 5 LP 97 97 NNPP 57 57 NRM 28 28 PDP 19104 19104 PRP 13 13 SDP 126 126 YPP 16 16 ZLP 8 8 total valid votes 29,208 29208 rejected votes 295 295 total votes cast 29503 29,503. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you. Any cancellation?
Yes, we have 3 cases of cancellation in 3 wards and in a unit each.
Okay. What was the total number of registered voters?
The total number of registered voters in those 3 units are 2275. 2,275. The total number of PVC collected 2201. 2,201.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
See, 3 wards and 3
Polling units. Allah sir. Dust.
Let me start.
All right. You want to snap me?
Not the result. Don't have first try. I will just sorry, shift it a little. Sorry.
Can you read your total accredited voters again?
Total accredited voters.
Yes.
Sorry. It was a mistake. Sorry. 29512. 29512. Sorry.
So party agents, any observation or comment on this presentation? Party agents.
Sorry, don't cover it. Don't cover it, please.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Remove your hand. I'm speaking. I'm snapping. Just hold it.
CEO for Gire, are you?
What of the EC40G? There's only one, Abi? Yes. Okay. Thank you.
Sorry, I will remove it. Sorry. Take this.
Huh? Allah, come and say who sign. He will sign this. Let him sign.
Come here.
Did he sign?
No, he's still there.
Ya kamata ki tashi bane. Dan kin gama kallo ki sanar ki zo na ki huta.
Su suka ce min in zauna 'yan media.
A tsaye kuke yi ba?
A tsaye muke yi.
A ɗauka cewa kin tsaya. Kin yi. In an dan kin gama sai ki zauna ki huta.
Su suka ce in zauna.
Don ba saboda su bane, ana yi saboda ba suke.
Sosai ka. Wai in na tsaya tsaye kamera ɗin baya
Baya ganin
capturing.
ki ke tsawo da ita.
Ka san su suna zaune. So suna dawo da kamera ɗin kasa. Ni kuma ina tsaye.
Okay. Now post duplicate. Post duplicate. Yana nan. I'll give it to you.
Can you see that? Produce yourselves.
Speak louder. Speak louder.
My name is Aminu Albana, or the Electoral Officer moving on local government, sir. We have represent our result.
CEO.
Yes.
Speak louder.
Hello, my name is Professor Mohamed Babardo, College Officer, Mubi North Local Government.
Let's go ahead and present.
Can I present? Mubi North Local Government. They have 11 votes. Total number of registered voters 148,693. 148,693. 148,693. Number of accredited voters 51,755. 51,755. Scores among parties. Party 232. Party AA 232. Party ADC 113. Party ADC 113. Party ADP 129. Party ADP 129. Party APC 342. 342. 342. Party ABGA 36. Party APM 32. Party APP 11. Okay. ABGA 36. 36. APM 32. APM 32. APP 11. APP 11. LP 52. LP 52. 52. NNPP 158. NNPP 158. NRM 50. NRM 50. PDP 17469. 17469. PRP 67. PRP 67. SDP 53. SDP 53. 53. YPP 11. YPP 11. ZLP 06. Total valid votes 50761. 50761. Rejected votes 728. Rejected votes 728. Total vote cast 51489. 51489.
Do you have this cancellation?
Yes, sir.
How many wards
In 2 wards,
and polling units?
polling units. In Kolere Ward 005, we count 1 over voting.
What's the total?
Total
Polling units?
total polling units. Kolere 1, Yelwa 5, making 6.
Is 6.
6 all in all.
So total number of voters
Tot-
registered there.
Total registered voters 2,054. Number of registered voters 2,054. PV 1783. PVC collected 1783.
Do you have the report?
Yes, all the reports are available to me.
Polling agents, any comment on this presentation? Party agents.
Okay, stamp this one. Results? I didn't remove it.
Let me just snap it. Let me snap it like this. Sorry.
No problem.
Then EC40J.
You see?
All these ones.
All this one. Let me start with it. This is
This is a summary of
this is a summary of
Let me start with that.
something.
Remove your hands. Sorry, this is not Let me have the other ones. The breakdown, I need breakdown.
This one, the first one.
Next one.
These are the reasons.
I didn't know explanation to it.
Yes, these are the polling units.
No,
So
what are
voting.
the contents here?
Overvoting. Overvoting. Overvoting.
Okay, don't worry, let me just snap them. We'll use them in the office.
No problem. Let me add it. Yeah.
Thank you.
Why the this stuff? At this side.
Yeah?
Mobi not, you have not.
Sir?
You have not submitted though.
Submit.
Let me submit. What do I submit? Huh?
Have you tell the two?
I have told the truth.
What of the cancellation?
Translation, all of that are here. Okay, I didn't tell this one.
Continue. Not label. That's it. Yeah, done by him. Okay. How much have you?
Thank you, sir.
No, thank you. Kaka kuna mudu not. Yes, sir. ganke ba ke da ba can ba ke tsaya ba.
Mama ba ta zo nan ba.
Ba wajen zama can. Ba ka je hutu da faro da ke sawa ni kaya kuma. Oh, a kallon ke daga ƙarshe ma ka kira ki. Ba fara da ke ba da sauri daga ƙarshe ka kira ki.
Kana nan da amma wannan za a zama yau.
Maybe. No, zuwa, no. Wancan nasu a sami sun riga sun declare daga can local government shi ba zuwa da shi ne.
Come outside.
Abin da nake ce ma local government election is worst. Local government election ya fi wanga wahala. Don masu neman suna gida da.
We have Mayo Belua. Mayo. Mayo Belua. Okay.
Where's you? Ina yi wa leza.
So,
I'm Sarah Dauda Madibu, Iwo my Balwas.
Good afternoon. My name is Professor Bahiru Yadasing, Collation Officer for Governorship Election, Mayobelo Local Government Area.
you can go ahead.
Okay. Mayobelo has total number of 12 wards. The results from these wards are as follows. Number of registered voters, 105768. Number of registered voters, 105768. Number of accredited voters, 47249. Number of accredited voters, 47249. Scores by each political party. Party AA, 8. Party AA, 8. Party ADC, 98. Party ADC, 98. Party ADP, 60. Party ADP, 60. Party APC, 23576. Party APC 23576. Party ABGA 22. Party ABGA 22. Party APM 31. Party APM 31. Party APP 14. Party APP 14. Party LP 556. Party LP 556. Party NNPP 230. Party NNPP 230. Party NRM 37. Party NRM 37. Party PDP 2039. Party PDP 2029. Party PRP 98. Party PRP 98. Party SDP 860. Party SDP 860. Party YPP 56. Party YPP 56. Party ZLP 29. Party ZLP 29. Total valid votes 45914. Total valid votes 45914. Rejected votes 555. Rejected votes 555. Total votes cast 46469. Total votes cast 46469. Thank you so much.
Thank you. You have cases of cancellation?
Yes.
In how many wards?
From 3 wards as a result of overvoting.
And total number of polling units?
Total number of polling units 3.
Okay.
Yes.
What's the total number?
Total number of registered voters in the 3 polling units 2426. Total number of PVCs collected from the 3 polling units 2423. 2423.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So, party agents, any observation?
Okay.
Party agents, any observation? No, thank you.
You want to? Okay.
Remove your hands. Let me see the other.
This one is the summary.
Let me take one.
Okay, okay. No problem.
Results still ongoing in Yola, Adamawa State for the governorship and state houses of assembly elections. Of course, what is happening in Yola is being replicated across the country where several collations are ongoing. There are projections that in the next few hours, a return may be made for the first one, at least for governorship election. Oyedia, expectations high that indeed celebrations on one part and agony for the losers on the other
Definitely,
part.
Adamawa State is one state that all eyes are on. Especially for me, I'm a woman, where we have the APC that have a president, the governorship candidate who is also a woman, and the running mate too, the sitting governor there is also a woman. So it's really a state we want to look out for. And looking at the presidential election that was conducted about 3 weeks ago, we saw that the PDP also, won that state. Maybe because it's the state where where the presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party, Atiku Abubakar, is from. Probably that's why that victory was. But let's watch out what will happen this time around.
Quite interesting. We can tell you that we have welcomed our second guest for today, Dr. Moshola Deji, a political scientist who has joined us live via Zoom. Deji, thank you so much for joining us. Hello, Dr. Deji, can you hear me? Okay. Okay, just to, I will soon bring in Deji, but of course, the returning officers for the different local governments area in Adamawa State announcing results and during the ceremonial signing, after which the next is expected to also come in and repeat same. The local governments are announced as soon as they come in, and of course, knowing Adamawa well, a mountainous region, there are some areas that could see a situation where the returning officer may not come in early. But as it's going by before the evening, we could begin to see the bulk, if not all, the local governments area come in.
Yeah. Yes, indeed. So many results are already coming in, and I believe that any moment from now, we should be having a winner announced any moment. Like we said earlier on, the PDP won that state earlier in the elections that were conducted some weeks ago. And we have our guest here, Abdurrahman. I'm sure you want to weigh in some of the politics.
Okay, I think the next local government is ready for announcement. The coalition officer is seated. Let's get back to you.
Collection officer, Maya local government. Maya local government have 10 wards. Number of registered voters, 62393. Number of registered voters, 6239. Number of accredited voters, 62393. Yes. Number of accredited voters, 26715. 26715. The parties, Party AA has 7. Party AA 07. Party ADC 27. Party ADC 27. Party ADP 27. No, 46, sorry. 46. Party ADP 46. Party APC 13. Party ADC 46. Party APC 13242. Party APC 13242. 13,242. ABGA 24. ABGA 24. APM 10. 10. APP 06. APP 06. LP 05. LP 05. Party NNPP 10. Party NNPP 10. Party NRM 33. Party NRM 33. Party PDP 12792. Party PDP 12792.
PRP 18, PRP 18, SDP 14, SDP 14, Party YPP 11, Party YPP 11, Party ZLP 03, Party ZLP 3. Total valid votes 26,248. Total valid votes 26,248. Rejected votes 434. Rejected votes 434. Total vote cast 26,682. Total vote cast 26,682. I said 26,682. Finished.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Do you have cancellations?
Yes, sir. I have 2 votes. 2 units in 2 votes.
What?
The total number of registered votes in the 2 registered voters in the 2 units, 1,266. 1,266. Number of PVC collected for the 2 cancelled units, 222, 1,232, sir.
Thank you very much.
Sir?
Party agents, any comment? No comment, thank you very much.
Remove your hand, please. Sorry.
Sorry.
Let me have the EC footage. Is this the only one?
No,
it's 2.
In Adamawa State, gradually completing the number, but as you can see, yet another collation officer from another point is seated. After the signing, we expect the announcement of results from the next local government. Adamawa State, Oyedia.
Yes,
very
indeed.
interesting.
In fact, as the collation is ongoing, I'm actually at the RF portal. I'm monitoring the uploads so far. We have about 91% of the results already uploaded from Adamawa State, and I see that some local government have also completed theirs. About 3 of them have completed, while others are still being awaited. I'm sure the next person is there to present the report. Let's go back to the collation center.
Well, it appears the collation officer, returning officer for the state, of course, flanked by the resident electoral commissioner for Adamawa State, is set to make further announcements.